Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the Nothing Phone 3A Pro for close work. Clean the lens, enable Pro mode, and switch to RAW so you retain detail. Once done, pick a lens option, use the dedicated macro if present, or position the main camera about 1 to 2 cm from the subject. Make sure continuous autofocus is on, because small shifts change focus rapidly. This gets you into a controlled shooting state and preserves editing headroom later. You now compose and dial in exposure. Use manual focus or focus peaking to precisely lock onto the tiny detail you want. Moving the phone slightly is how you fine-tune focus. Set ISO low, around 100 to 200, and choose a shutter speed you can hold or use a tripod, about 1/60 or slower with support. Also, add diffused LED light or a small reflector to eliminate harsh shadows. Good light lets you keep aperture tighter and capture more depth and texture. You finish by securing stability, reviewing, and refining. Place the phone on a tripod or beanbag, enable a 2-second timer or a remote trigger, then take several shots with slight focus or exposure shifts for stacking. Once done, inspect RAW files and apply selective sharpening and noise reduction in post. If images remain soft, make sure no case obstructs the lens, reduce distance slightly, and add more light. These fixes correct the most common macro issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.